Do you ever lie awake at night replaying everything you said that day, thinking, did I say the wrong thing? What if I mess it tomorrow? Yeah, that's overthinking, and it's exhausting. It steals your peace, your time, and your focus. But here's the truth. Your mind isn't the problem. It just needs better direction. And today, you'll learn how to take back control, step by step. Overthinking doesn't mean you're weak or broken. It just means your brain's doing its job a little too well. It's trying to protect you from embarrassment, rejection, or failure. But in the process, it traps you in an endless loop of what-ifs. You start living more in your head than in the real world. So let's break that cycle and learn how to quiet your mind, find clarity, and actually live again. Overthinking is just your brain on overdrive. It's not an enemy, it's a guard dog that barks too much. It wants to keep you safe, but it can't tell the difference between real danger and imagination. That's why you panic over tiny things that don't even matter. So the first step is awareness. When you start spiraling, don't fight it, notice it. Say, okay, my brain's trying to protect me. That shift from reacting to observing, that's the moment you start taking control. When your thoughts get loud, move your body. Seriously. Walk, stretch, lift, dance, breathe deeply. Movement pulls you out of your head and back into your body. It's like hitting the reset button. You can't think your way out of overthinking. You have to move through it. Overthinkers love control, but most of what we worry about is out of our hands. You can't control what others say. You can't control the future. You can't undo the past. But you can control effort, attitude, and response. When you focus there, your anxiety drops. Because your brain finally gets direction, and that's what it's craving. What if I fail? What if I look stupid? What if they don't like me? Okay, so what? Failure's feedback. Embarrassment fades. People forget faster than you think. The moment you say, so what, fear loses its bite. That's confidence from being fearless, but from trusting you'll survive whatever happens. Overthinking lives in two places, the past and the future. The present, it's always calm. So when your thoughts start spiraling, come back to now. Notice your breath, the sound around you, the weight of your body. The more you practice this, the easier it gets. Your brain can't panic about the future when it's grounded in the moment. Overthinkers carry too much mental clutter, so dump it out. Write it down. Journal. Voice note it. Once those thoughts are on paper, they stop looping. You'll see patterns. You'll see what actually matters. And suddenly, the noise quiets. It's one of the simplest, most powerful mental resets you can do. Overthinking fills empty space. If you don't direct your mind, it'll wander into worry by default. So give it purpose. Learn something. Create. When your brain's busy growing, it has less time to spiral. Idle mind, chaos. Focused mind, peace. You won't master this overnight. Overthinking is a habit, and habits take time to unlearn. So when you catch yourself doing it again, don't beat yourself up, just breathe. Notice it. Redirect it. Every time you do, you're rewiring your brain for calm. That's real progress to perfection. You don't stop overthinking by forcing your brain to be quiet. You stop by understanding it. Your thoughts aren't the enemy, they're signals. Once you learn to read them instead of react to them, they stop controlling you. That's when peace finally shows up.